Before we begin, if you see an error message during this process, it's likely due to your permissions. Go to aws.amazon.com/artifact/FAQ for more information about the specific error and then contact your administrator. Okay, let's get started. Log into the AWS Management Console and search Artifact. Click on Agreements on the left-hand side. Master account users will see this notice, and the Organization Agreements tab will automatically open. When you click Get Started, you allow us to create an IAM role to identify member accounts in your organization. You can click the link to learn more. For this video, we're going to sign up for an AWS Organizations Business Associate Addendum, or BAA, but the steps are the same for the other agreements. Click the arrow. Read the agreement language that calls out the terms of the AWS Organizations BAA. For example, signing up each account creates an agreement with each account and AWS, and terms of our BAA are confidential and subject to NDA. Once you've read the specifics, click Download and review the AWS Organizations Business Associate Addendum. This window with our NDA will appear. Read the NDA, check the box if you agree, and then click Accept NDA and download the AWS Organizations BAA. Click the PDF to read the BAA. You can also print and save it. When you're finished here, go back to Artifact. Check all the boxes to take responsibility for all the terms. Then click the blue box to accept AWS Organizations BAA for your organization. Click the arrow to confirm your agreement is active. Going forward, any new accounts created in your organization will be covered by this BAA. If any person within your org wants to review the accepted terms, they can do so in their account.